Welcome to 6th grade end of course and the placement test video. So in this video, I'm going to introduce Irvine Unified School District Math Placement Flowchart and criteria for 6th grade and our 6th grade math workshop topics and class setup and our workshop schedules, how to contact with us and register for the workshop. This is the IUSD math pathway. When 6th grade students enter into 7th grade, they have two choices for their math classes. Either they can enter into MS Math 7, which is a regular math course, or they can enter into the MS Enhanced Math 7 and 8, which is an accelerated math course if they meet certain criteria. In this video, we will briefly talk about these criteria to enter into this program with focusing on 6th grade and of course, assessment test. The first criteria is final grades in math coursework. Grades from each trimester in 6th grade are used. Grades are not averaged across trimesters. Grades include minus grades. The second criteria is the evaluation from math teacher about students' mathematical practice and work habits. The third criteria is the basic skills exam, which is part 1 of the 6th grade math placement test. The basic skills exam asks students' skills with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using whole numbers, fractions, and percentages. The operations include from 4th, 5th, and 6th grade California State Common Core Math Standards. And the fourth criteria is end of course assessment, which is part 2 of 6th grade math placement test, which are multiple choices this year. The end of course assessment is outline of California State Common Core Math Standards. Details will be discussed later in this video. Students must meet 3 of 4 criteria. In order to enter into enhanced math 7 and 8. So grades need to be 90% or above for each trimester. And of course, assessment needs to be 80% or above. Basic skills exam needs to be 90% or above. And support from math teachers evaluation ladder. The 6th grade California State Common Core Math Standards includes ratio and proportional relationships, the number system, expressions and equations, geometry, statistics, and probability. The 7th grade California State Common Core Math Standards includes the same topics as 6th grade, but the material is more advanced. Based on these state standards, we set up 4 topics for 6th grade math placement test workshop. Topic 1 is fraction, ratio, percent, unit measurement, GCD, LCM word problems. The class is on March 5th from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. Topic 2 is proportional relationship, linear function slope, equation, graph, and application. The class is on March 12th from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. Topic 3 is algebra, expression, equation, inequality word problems. The class is on March 19th from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. Topic 4 is geometry, statistic, and probability. The class is on March 26th from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. So our workshop is one of our community service series, which means it's free of charge. So our workshop will include 1 2-hour classes per week for 4 weeks, Zoom classes, and homework on Canvas. So you can register this class by sending student name, grade, school, email, parent name, phone number through the email morningstarinstituteirvine@gmail.com or through WeChat Morningstar Institute. Thank you very much.